Welcome all to our bus stop project for sustainable architecture. We'll be focusing our attention on the west side of University Park's campus, located in State College, Pennsylvania. The Westgate building shown here was designed by Raphael Vinot and Perfad Wiskoff. The building was opened in 2004 to serve as the Information Science and Technology Center for students, serving as a connection point to bridge the gap between the old part of campus and the new engineering quad expansion on our right. The Westgating building provides a safe way to cross the street, a good place to grab a bite to eat with Panera inside, or a vibrant place to study. The Westgate building is a remarkable fusion of architecture and function, including spaces for collaboration and spontaneous conversations to be had. Designed to provide spaces for academic and social interaction, this encourages students to engage with each other outside of class. Shifting towards a more interactive style of learning, desire students want to have at State College. Westgate also aligns with Penn State's vision of creating a supportive and vibrant campus environment, all while placing an emphasis on sustainability, reinforcing the university's mission to be a center of social responsibility. This bus stop will have to deal with a humid continental climate with 4 distinct seasons and moderate annual precipitation of 102 inches. The bright and hot summers are usually within the 80-degree range, while the winters are a stark difference with 30 to 40 inches of snow and temperatures raising from 20 to 40 degrees. The unique S-shaped design of the building stretches over Atherton Street, reducing its footprint instead of sprawling outward. Westgate's ability to act as a bridge over Atherton Street increases student safety and accessibility. It has many sustainable features like the natural light peering into the building through large windows on the north and south ends and open-air walkways which maximize ventilation. These features reduce energy consumption and increase comfort when working within the building. As you can see here, there is already a bus stop present, but we are planning on renovating this stop to better match its surroundings while increasing comfort and sustainability. As the world begins to comprehend how society needs to develop in sustainable ways to limit human CO2 emissions, integrating sustainable design is the first key step in building development. The first sustainable feature of this bus stop is the solar panels located on top of the structure. Now a quick note, this is the top-down view of the central portion of the bus stop, but does not include the two side pieces of the structure. The purpose of this view is to see the solar panel design on the inside and a cavern for the hanging vegetation to grow from. The solar panels allow for this bus stop to be net positive energy facility, which means it generates more energy than it uses. The energy will power 2 outlets and the remainder will go to Penn State's energy grid. Another sustainable characteristic of this bus stop is the green roof, which improves air quality and reduces the heat island effect. Due to State College's varying temperatures throughout the year, our bus stop has unique qualities to increase comfort for riders. The overhang vegetation on the left and right sides protect riders from the intense sun during the summer, while the doorway is surrounded by coconut husk fibers to reduce the wind wrapping around the frame of the bus stop. The benches are going to be rubber coated to increase their longevity while being exposed to the natural elements. The roof of the outside bench areas is constructed of pressure-treated wood. This natural touch will help riders relax when waiting for the bus, as the wood and vegetation combination above their heads will imitate being under a tree. The roof under the main portion will be constructed of metal to support the solar panels. The roof layout will try to mimic the S shape of the Westgate building, tying this bus stop into its surrounding area. Additionally, there are 2 bike racks on the left of the bus stop to encourage riders to bring their bikes on the bus, furthering the public transit network around State College. The goal of this bus stop is not to trade off comfort for sustainability. By integrating sustainable features, our bus stop fits many categories as a part of the LEED certification standard. This table outlines the central certifications our bus stop achieved. Overall, the bus stop provides quality transit to hundreds of riders every week, allowing this project to gain 5 points in the location and transportation LEED category. The installation of solar panels and the hanging vegetation were the other 2 largest factors to gain LEED certification points. The solar panels aided in the certification of having an integrative energy system, as well as reduce the heat island effect, generation of green power, which provide 100% clean power to the bus stop shelter. On the other hand, The hanging vegetation is the implementation of a water reduction system, which aids in the certification of having an integrative process, rainwater management, and the heat island effect. Lastly, these features also gained the bus stop 2 points for innovation. We're proud that the LEED process made our project stronger, more thoughtful, and more impactful. Thank you all for listening, and I hope this video gave you a deeper insight into sustainable bus stops.